Yeah, so Boar Bristle toothbrush. Now this isn't your typical toothbrush. Instead of plastic or nylon, it uses natural boar hair bristles on a bamboo handle. The makers say it's completely plastic-free and biodegradable. Sounds great, right? They claim it's gentle on your gums, effective at cleaning, and keeps you away from microplastics. But is it really all that it's cracked up to be? Let's find out together. First off, the big question is, where do these bristles actually come from? The website mentions boar and even horsehair, but there's no clear info on whether the hair is collected ethically, like from grooming, or if animals are harmed in the process. They also say the bristles are double sterilized, but they don't explain how or give any proof. So, if you're vegan or care about animal welfare, this could be a big red flag, no matter how eco-friendly it looks. Next, let's talk about certifications. The toothbrush has no FDA approval and no GMO or GMP certifications. That's important because these certifications usually tell you the product is safe, well-made, and ethically produced. Without them, you're basically taking the brand's word for it, and that's risky. Then, there's the marketing. They love to push discounts like 30% off, free shipping, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. They even claim that less than 1% of people actually return it. That number sounds way too perfect, right? It feels like a tactic to make the brand look more trustworthy than it might actually be. And the language they use? Wow. They throw around words like chronic source of microplastic exposure and shed microplastics into your bloodstream. That sounds scary, but honestly, these claims feel exaggerated. They're more about creating fear than giving real, evidence-backed information. Finally, we checked out the reviews. Sure, their website shows glowing feedback, but everything looks a bit too polished. And when we tried to find reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or other places, nothing came up. That makes it really hard to know if the product is genuinely good. So here's the takeaway. This Boar Bristle toothbrush has a lot of red flags. Unclear animal sourcing, no certifications, aggressive marketing, scary claims, and unverifiable reviews all make it questionable. If you're thinking about buying it, maybe pause, take a deep breath, and consider safer, more transparent options. Your teeth and your conscience will thank you. Thanks for sticking around. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more honest reviews coming your way.